In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom site scripts to your website. Now, this is good for adding on different widgets like live chat or a help bot like we have here. You can see this one as well. There's lots of different third-party extensions you can add onto your website. And to do that, we're going to go into add-ons and site scripts. Now, we're going to hit add new script at the top here. And I'm just going to name this sample script. And for this tutorial, I just copied an embed code of an image. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to be in between the brackets with some HTML code. And if you do sign up for a live chat service, that's where you'll get the code from. So I'm going to save this, and we'll go back to dashboard. And I'm going to view my public site. Now we're going to see down at the bottom here, there's the image that I embedded. And if it were live chat, that would be floating down here as well. And that's a quick and easy way to add on third-party extensions through embedded site scripts on your website. And that's all for this tutorial.